Alright, so here we are on the BTCUSD chart, and we actually analyzed this sometime last week's trading session. I think on Tuesday or Wednesday we did the BTCUSD, and we were able to identify a simple setup. Price action has been quite bullish since the last quarter of last year, and our center of focus will be around the recent impulse leg that began in the month of March. And if we take that into consideration, we saw this impulsive move to the upside, and we saw that as soon as price tested the 29,400, we have seen a consolidation phase between the structure. So here we are. The situation we have here is more or less of an indecisive phase, as participants are not sure if the price will continue to the upside, or we might be in for a retracement of that impulse leg. Now, like I always tell you, when price action finds a new high, it is always peculiar that we see a consolidation phase, a choppy situation around that area, as price action still needs some time to acclimatize to the zone, and this might likely lead to profit-taking activities that will probably send price action spiral to the downside in the form of a retracement into structure in anticipation of the second wave of that impulsive move. So these are things that we are going to be focusing on the lower time frame. Then another thing about this kind of structure is the fact that it could turn out to be a trend continuation pattern, where a breakout of the 29,400 level will be welcoming more opportunities to buy the BTCUSD. So in order to be able to participate in the trading of the BTCUSD in recent time, we will need to scale down to a much more lower time frame to see how price action has been playing out within this channel, especially in the last couple of weeks. Now, if we scale down to the 1 hour time frame, so this is what you will be able to see on the 1 hour time frame. Remember that we had this channel figured out on Wednesday last week. We saw this channel where price action was trading within the 27,850, which happened to be the support line for this channel. So that was the demand zone. So if I extend this out a little bit, and then we had the resistant line of the 28,000 mark, which is a strong psychological level. And I told us all last week that the only way we are going to be buying the BTCUSD is for price action to break out of the $28,000 mark. Hence, we should be having a buy stop order above that structure. And if a breakdown of the 27,850 happens, then we want to be selling. Now, the former is what happened, as we saw the breakout of the $28,000 mark. And for those who are taking advantage of that opportunity, well done to you for being on standby, as if you still have your buy positions running, you will be with about 280 pips in profit at this point in time. And if you still have your buy position running, I would suggest that you want to be moving your stop loss to secure your position, as there is a high chance that sellers could come in. As you can see, the highest point in the last couple of weeks in this market is this area at the 28,000, and as you can see, price is finding it difficult to find a new high at this area. So what we are going to be doing is to dissect this current structure to see if we are going to be seeing a reversal pattern here or a trend continuation pattern. So if we bring out our line chart, we begin to see things more clearly here. So we have the situation. So what I will be doing is to first of all acknowledge the support line here, which falls at around the 28,250 level. So let's identify that area first of all. So we have the 28,250 level. Then we're also going to be identifying the resistant line, which falls at around the 28,500, I guess. A very strong psychological level, that is. Place at the top right hand side. So bring back our candle chart, and here we go. So there are two things that could happen from the structure following this impulsive move. We could see a reversal pattern come in, probably in the form of a double top structure, where price action finds it difficult to break the new high, break the previous high. Then we might be seeing drop below structure to join a bearish move, probably into the structure to retest it before another wave of bullish momentum or probably into somewhere around here before another wave of bullish momentum. So that is one scenario we are going to be looking at on this one today. However, if price action continues to climb to the upside, then we shall be looking forward to a breakout retest of the 28,500 level to buy the BTCUSD for today. So this is what we shall be looking at on the BTCUSD for today. So it's a very simple setup. So let's use this 28,500 and the 28,250 level as our yardstick for trading activity for today. So if a breakout of the 28,250 happens, we scale down to our lower time frame, look for a retest of structure, then you could join the decline to the downside, but ensure you are moving your stop loss accordingly to secure your current position, as this is probably a retracement. This will probably be a retracement phase where at the beginning the appearance of buy pressure at any point is likely going to incite another wave of bullish momentum. And if a breakout of the 28,500 happens, then we could see that price would have taken out the sell positions here at the 28,500 to welcome an opportunity to buy. So at this point, you want to remain patient. And for those who took advantage of this position at the breakout of the 28,000 mark, you want to ensure that you move your stop loss to somewhere right below the 28,250. Secure the current position and wait out for price action to play out, to give some room for price action to breathe, with the hopes that price action will continue to the upside. So these are my view on the BTC USD. I hope I made myself clear. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop your enquiries in the comment section. And is on this note, I want to call it a day here on the XTrend Speed Live. I hope you had a wonderful moment, and I'm very sure you are well equipped to be able to take advantage of any potential trading opportunity today, as we were able to simulate all the possible move that could happen during the New York session today. So on this note, I want to wish you best of luck today. And one more thing I would like to state here is that today is a public holiday, and the tendency of getting caught up with the compulsiveness to trade is very high today, because the market might likely be very, very slow because of the fact that there will be not much liquidity in the market, as most organizations are on public holiday today, observing the holiday. And let's just remain patient. Let's wait for the market to mature significantly in our favor before we want to be opening a position for today. So on this note, I wish you all best of luck today, and I look forward to seeing you same time tomorrow, 10 a.m. UTC, 11 a.m. West African time, as we get ourselves prepared for the new week. Sorry, for the New York session tomorrow, rather. Do have a wonderful evening, everyone. Bye-bye.